Canva Confidence Booster, Part 6.
Let's talk branding kit. In order to utilize your branding kit, you have to have it set up. You can find the brand kit on the left side of Canva. Once you open the home page on the left side, you can scroll down and you'll see brand. It is a pro option, so you do have to have a pro account in order to use the branding. There are a lot of elements in brand kit that you can update, but to me, the most important part for me was to have my logos updated. So you can see I uploaded all of the different logos that I have for my brand. I have my colors already uploaded, and then the fonts that I want to use, those are already uploaded. So you can go in and see that I have my fonts already selected, so that if I start a design or I start to edit a design using my brand kit, the fonts are already there. I don't have to scroll through and figure out which font I used. And then photos that I may decide to use for my brand. I did not want to have to search through my uploads every single time I wanted to use a picture. So these are some pictures that I had already in my brand kit. And then graphics. So these are different graphics for my brand kit. And I want to show you how to use them. I'm going to home and I'm going to select a template for a YouTube banner. So I go back to the home screen, select templates, and I'm going to search for YouTube. I'm going to select category, YouTube banner. And then now all the different YouTube templates will come up. Well, I'm going to look for one for this example. I'm going to look for one with a lot of colors in it and that does not have a picture for the background, because if you have a picture for the background, you're not going to really be able to see how the brand kit can help you out. So let me look for one with a lot of colors in it. Probably the kitty ones are going to really help me out. I'm searching. Okay, let's see what's kind of in this category. Very colorful. Okay, I'm going to go with this one. This one over here. Pretty colorful. Does not look like it has a photo for a background. So let's customize this template for the purpose of showing you how the brand kit works. So this is the template that I selected. Now this template has a lot of different colors in them. Some of them may be photos or graphics, which some of them you can't necessarily change the color, but let's see what happens. I'm going to open my brand kit and then I'm going to go to my color palette. So when you have your color palette uploaded in your brand kit, when you click on shuffle, it'll start changing the different colors on your graphic. So let's click shuffle and see what happens. So see how the colors are changing. Everything that it can change, it changes. So you could just continue clicking through to see if any of those fit your needs. And then once you click through using shuffle, even if you still wanted to go back, like, oh yeah, I like this, but I want this background color to be different, you could still go through and manually change certain elements. When you use the brand kit, it does kind of a broad swath change. It changes everything and it chooses color combinations that maybe you don't necessarily like how it makes the graphic look. So then you can go through and still manually change it. And then say I want to go ahead and change the photo. I can go right to the photos that I have uploaded. I'm going to select, I'm going to select this one. And then I can just easily go through and change the photo, make any adjustments that I want. I think this is a very valuable way to be organized, especially when you're trying to make your products and graphics look consistent.